Hello, today we will be solving another leetcode medium. It's try this time. So you're given you're given two arrays with positive integers, array one, array two. A prefix of positive integer is an integer formed by one or more digits, starting from leftmost digit. For example, 1, 2, 3 is a prefix 1, 2, 3, 5, while 2 or 3 is not, because it's not prefix, it's a substring. Yeah. A common prefix of two integer a and b is an integer c, such as c is a prefix of both a and b. Common prefix of two integers a and b is an integer c, such as c is a prefix of both. Have common prefixes 5 or 6. Well, okay, so this have common prefixes 565 and 56555, while 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. We need to find the len of longest common prefix between all pairs of such as x belong to array and belong to I. So the common prefix between two integers returns the length of longest common prefix along all pairs with no common prefix exists, return 0. Okay. Yeah, so we have to create try node, which is accept. Yeah, so we will create try, and yeah, I probably should write it in English first, not jump into coding. So solution A will create try. We are not talking about brute force here, right? Brute force is n square at this point, because we have to get one from here, compare one from here, compare. So we will be comparing every number with this, and then another, and then another number with everything, and finding common prefix. And there is also, while we will be comparing for common prefix, there is also loop in inside numbers, so it will be cubic time, which is not good at all. With 10 fourths and 10/8 number, it's not acceptable solution. Another solution is try. So for try, what we're gonna do, we're gonna build a try, and every try node, if it's at the end, will have so I can say try node will have n of the word flag, and probably entire string or entire string of number at the end, so we can compare. Because, for example, if we're searching for, so we have to build between, we cannot have, so one problem that we have to build a try from two tries, right? Try from first array from R1 and compare every element of R2 with a try. And if so, we don't need this. We just need annual. Yeah, so we build in a try from array 1, and then we compare every element. Find. So try will have two methods. Load. Oh yeah, that's. And maybe three. So maybe character, and every node will have children. I'm not sure if we need end of the word at this point, right? So try will also have root node. Oops. How I type it backwards? Some kind of root node, doesn't matter. But it will have a two. Yeah, find every element, and if find every element and track deepest pass inside try. Return deepest pass found. That's it. It will be our solution. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Let's go and implement this. So we'll have a try. We have a load, right? We have a load method which will accept string and iterate and build try nodes. Then and we also have a find method. And we have a self we call it max depth, deepest pass, or it's called MD. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna for a chart for element in array 1, we're gonna create try it's not accepting anything on constructor. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna load, but it's not, so it's not gonna so this solution will find array 1 in array 2, but what if we have array 2 in array 1? Right, so we do two tries. Can I do this? I hope I can. So we load two tries, and then Here also, while loading, we can find and at the end we have to find into second try. First element we have to find in second try. And then we return max or zero, right? Max or zero, yeah. We return max between T1 and D and T2 and D. That's it. So this is how it will work, but we have to also implement tries. For that, we have to iterate for login, right? We accept strings, but this will be number, which is probably int, yeah. So we have to str them. Let's say that we receive string, like integer, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna assign str of integer character in string if so we assign current node to root if current children contains if C in current children. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna current extract node C. Else, because it's a load method, we gonna add node, try node. Okay, try node with C. So this is load. Let's go back to find. Pretty much the same, except if C in else, here we have to find out how deep we are in. So we can enumerate index and value, and we can say self md equal max self md and index. It could be we will have to add +1 because 3. Zero, 1, 2. Yeah, it's okay. So Oh, let's do plus one. Okay, so this is looking good. Let's check it again. And give it a run. And then block. Oh, yeah. Can't access local variable age. Oh yeah, so it should be number. What I have to return? Okay, expected output field, output one. Because I'm adding one, I guess. Yeah, wrong answer. I have array 5 and I have 33. Okay, how it's possible? Oh, because I'm adding ci minus 1. I can say if I more than 0. Because if it's first, there is nothing to compare. Okay. Oh, because root. I know because of root. Root is the first one. Yep. But 1 is 10. Okay, so we have to track the end of the words. So when we check in, for example, 11, 10, and 11, we have to reach. So I feel like we have to, let's try this. I feel like we have to move this like here. I can just return. For example, have common prefixes 565. It's 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 correct, but this hundred not exist and must end to. So if we find in 100, for example, across a tree, and or if even if we didn't reach it, we have one. Okay, so it's correct. Yeah, so we don't have to return. Okay, let's do class here. Or continue. I'm missing something very important here. If I'm searching for 8, okay, so why it's wrong? So for example, if I'm searching 3 and so 1, 3, why it's 1? So T1 loads, then we find and then we T2 find and we do next. Okay, can I commit? So T1 has 1 because I search for and it's not here, but I continue searching.
Okay, let's take a break.
Okay, so we have to figure out where is this 1 is coming from. If we create try from 1 and 3, we're gonna have roots, we're gonna have 1, and 1 gonna have 3, right? Then when we this is when we load it. Then we find elements from second array, which is 3, into this try. And we get 1, so we have 1, 3, and we at 3 we go here, we have 0, we have 0. We should have 0, why we have 1? I wish there is a way to print it. So there is a way, like, we don't have to go all the way, right? If we stumbled, we return. And we have to assign. You can say if not C in current children. We can do this. Oh, I think I found the problem. So if it's not, and then we move to new node. Yep. Okay. 1 expected to. So we have 27, 27. Yeah, it's 2. But it's also the same. So
Yeah, but we got it working, so yeah.
It's probably because of print. Why it's not faster, and also I feel like we don't have to do it every time. As we go, and if it's not, we just... How about if we break here? Yeah, still 5%. So loading between two of them. So we load, we find.
Okay, anyway, yeah, we solve it, and let's see what was the fastest.
Yeah, so this is adding prefixes to a set and iterating through array every number and adding prefixes, all possible prefixes to a set, and then iterating through second array and finding all these prefixes. Yeah, this is cool solution. Can we have editorial using hash tables? Yeah, it's similar, like first approach try. But I wonder why try is not faster. It should be faster. Yep.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.